Day 14 of my 30-day van conversion challenge. The first thing I did today was go out to Toolstation to buy more glue, which made it very depressing when I discovered I still had one more bottle at home that I'd missed when I checked yesterday. Today I'm determined to finish the foil board insulation. Someone on here told me that I shouldn't insulate inside the sills, and that made sense to me because they have the drainage holes in them, so I first had to remove this foil board to get to the sills and remove the plastic insulation that I'd put in there. I used a hoover to make sure I'd got all of it out. I'm pleased to say that I did finally finish the foil board insulation. I then started taping over all the joins with foil tape. This is the kind of thing that I have a tendency to go overboard with, so I tried really hard not to tape up the whole van. It looks really neat now. The second success of my day was finding the missing hex key for my new plunge saw. Next up, it's time to start battening. I'm really excited about this. This is where my kitchen's gonna go. I marked where I'd be able to drill to avoid the holes in the beams. I always seem to make these marks too small so you can't see them, so I had to go back and do them again. But I glued it and I got the first beam attached. Then I started on the ceiling. I cut 3 battens at once on the meter saw, which was quite exciting. I do not like not being able to see what I'm drilling into. The first hole went straight into a beam hole. The first batten I put up was also very wonky, but thankfully it doesn't really matter as it's going to be covered by the ceiling. I put up the rest of the ceiling battens and this is how it's looking now. It's amazing how much of a difference adding a bit of wood makes it feel to me. I feel like it's really starting to look like a camper now. To end the day, I started varnishing the ceiling wood. I completely underestimated this job. It took me ages and I only managed one side of 5 pieces out of 16. I also found that quite a few of the pieces I'd brought were damaged, but thankfully I had bought a spare pack just in case. Come back tomorrow to see how the van's looking after day 15.